Hello everyone, let's unbox the Honor Tablet Magic Pad 33.3 inch in Starry Grey with a size of 12 plus 256 right now. But 303 inches is huge. Let's power it on first. There's an instant update once you start, and the display quality is excellent. The camera is centered, but I'm not sure if everyone can clearly see it. It's centered in this position. There is virtually no glare, and there are 4 speakers positioned on the sides. This is the volume control located above the charging port, and here should be the microphone's recording volume control. Additionally, there is a magnetic interface for the stylus. The magnetic interface located on the back is excellent for viewing videos with IMAX enhanced features. This is an introductory experience, so please pay close attention, as this time they have generously provided such a voucher specifically for existing users. It's very affordable, extremely affordable. So the original price was this amount, but in the end, it includes a complimentary lifestyle gift pack. And the final price is quite appealing, right? This lifestyle gift pack is also very substantial. Let's unbox it and see. Inside the canvas bag, there is an additional smaller pouch. The exterior appearance is quite attractive, genuinely attractive, and there is a manually operated umbrella included. Finally, there's also a water bottle that's quite impressive, genuinely impressive. In this episode, I'm simply doing a straightforward unboxing. I'll provide more detailed content with everyone after I have thoroughly experienced it. Please follow Ayang for additional sharing, and see you next time.